comes Tyler. Here comes Tyler. Hi. Hi, Tyler. Hi. Hey, buddy. Here comes my boy. Here comes my boy. Here comes my boy. Hi. Well, hello. Hi there. Yeah. Hi. How are you? Daddy's having some chips. Yeah. You having a good day? So you walked for the first time yesterday. You're walking a whole bunch today. You can go inside, Tyler? You reading, Tyler? Tyler's enjoys reading. He picks up books. He knows which is the right way to hold them. He's reading the Hugga-Wuggs. You're reading the Hugga-Wuggs. You are. Yeah, you're reading the Hugga-Wuggs, little buddy. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. No, you having fun? It's a camera. That's a camera, buddy bear. Uh-huh. That's the camera. That's what a camera looks like. Mm-hmm. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep, yep. You just want to go in your toy bin. You got your squeaky monkey. Oh, that's a fun one. Tyler's got a squeaky monkey.
And he's happy. He's very, very happy to have his little monkey.
That's really cute. You get your squeaky. He's sitting in the seat. He's sitting in his baby seat.
Hi.
We help
Tyler
Mommy on the
likes to help
computer.
Mommy on the computer.
That's Adele.
That's Adele.
Yeah, that's what Bill Gates has the audacity to call a computer. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Hey, Tyler. Can you crawl to Daddy? Or actually walk to Daddy?
You walk to me? Tyler, can you walk to me?
No. Let's walk. Let's walk.
Can you walk to Daddy?
Or not. No, you can't.
Loves his mommy.
You know he loves Mommy's computer.
Tyler, you're on your horsey. You're riding your horsey, Tyler. Enjoy your horsey.
Tyler's on his horse.
Tyler's on his horsey.
This has been really good.
Yeah, you're a rocking horse.
I love this, Eric.
It's Tyler on a rocking horse.
I love this. He's right on the white.
Really cool. Good job, buddy. You did like 5 steps or so. Yay, good job. Yay, buddy. You walked. You walked. You did.
Silly. Cookie Monster loves the music too, and cookies.
Tyler loves reading.
Elmo's music makes everybody very happy.
He grabbed the book, got in between Mom and her computer.
The music box plays a song.
Are you in your little, are you in your boat, Tyler? Do we have a baby in a basket?
We have a baby in a basket.
This is what Moses was like. Right? Yay, he can clap, he can do high five.
High five.
There you go, you can clap. Hey Tyler, can you do this? Yeah. Uh-huh. Really? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's more laundry. There's a towel, it's a dish towel, and a blue sock.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, that's my undershirt. He just really looks like he's trying to share something with me. It's my undershirt. I mean,
His mommy. There he goes. There he goes. He just had a little bit of hair cut off.
Good job, Tyler.
Oh, Tyler.
Bless you. You had your
Now let's
first
see if we want to
haircut.
take a...
God bless you, little one.
Just a second here. Let's put it on standby. You just had a little haircut. Just 1 second here. Stand by.
Look
Now,
at Tyler.
yeah, just leave it there. And let me just get...
It's Tyler's hair.
Now I'm going to look at the leaves.
Here's Tyler. There's the hair.
Here, he has the brush in his hand.
Where's your little comb?
He has it right
Do
here.
you want a picture of you holding Tyler's hair? I don't know. I think it is. Okay. Little pusher.
Today was our first real look at the suspect in this case, accused of the double murders in Sabre Springs last Sunday morning. Now.